Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the square wine glass box. First, I find it easier to put the panels on first while it's flat. So I'll only have 3 panels on this particular box. I didn't include a lid panel, but I have the back and the 2 sides. I also like to pick them up and fold them, but I'll show you how I fold on the scores after I put the panels on. You could do this after you assemble the box, but you won't be able to apply the pressure that I can when it's flat. And after those are on, you can go ahead and fold it on the score lines, just carefully. Mine are solid score lines, but yours may be dashed. Just make sure you get little crisp edges. It makes it easier to put the box together. Next thing we're going to do is attach the back piece to that 3-paneled front piece. So we're going to add glue to that side tab and then line up the edge of the back piece, making sure it's aligned on the top and bottom properly. Align it with the tab fold, and then apply pressure to keep it there. And make sure that your glue bottle doesn't come attack you like mine. And a little jiggle there. And once that's nice and dry, go ahead and flip it over like that. And then it makes it easier with the square box. It'll line up almost perfectly. It should line up perfectly if you got the first one aligned. Just align that remaining edge to the tab fold. I was a little off there, but it did still work, but try to line it up best you can. Next, we're going to add the lid, and you'll see the ones with the pointy corners. That's the tab, the glue tab, and the one with the rounded corners, the tab that opened for the opening. So go ahead and add glue to the glue tab, and then line up the tab fold inside the box to the top front edge of the box. So I just want to make sure that I get it in place before I really apply pressure and get it aligned properly. So you can reach in, that's the nice part about having that opening, and then apply pressure from the other side once it's secure. So I just want to make sure it's good and dry before I continue, and then you can see how it closes. That's the round side that's kind of angled in a little bit. It didn't go in quite right because my side was offset just a little bit. So to close the box, close in the teeth portion first, the sides, and then the last flap. So it is a non-glue closure. It is strong enough to hold a wine glass, but if you feel it isn't, you can always add an additional panel, glue on a panel to the bottom of the box. So here's the insert. This is to hold the glass in place, so you want to fold down those edges. Just go ahead and slide the stem into the little slit, and then you'll carefully, it's a little bit awkward, but you're going to kind of hold the bottom and hold those sides in and slide it down. Once you get to the opening, you can get your fingers in the front to help pull it down. And simply it's there to hold it in place. You don't need to use it if you don't want to, but it's just so it doesn't move around in the box too much. Then we'll close it. And there you go. That's what it looks like. Your personalized glass will look good in this. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.